Hey everyone, I am Bryce and today I am going to explain to you how to get your Instagram back. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Tap on the three lines shown in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings and the privacy option shown here. Now go to the account center and tap on personal details. Go to account ownership and controls and tap on deactivation or deletion. It will show your account and you can deactivate or delete your account. Here I have deleted my account by providing a reason. Continue it and enter your account password. After that, it will delete your account. If you want to get your account back, go to the browser of your mobile phone. Search recovered Instagram account here. It will show you different options, but you have to choose disabled Instagram account. Tap on that and select the temporarily deactivate your Instagram account option. Now tap on what went wrong and then provide the reason or something that went wrong. After some time, it will get your Instagram account back. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.